This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Selissa Taylor. Affordable cabin in the Smokies. This cabin is small enough to be low maintenance but big enough for a vacation home, rental, or starter home. Great view from the porch, and you'll love the privacy and close proximity to the National Park and Bryson City. This one-level home features an open floor plan with a gas log wall fireplace, a large master bedroom and walk-in closet, and a renovated bathroom. There is plenty of room for parking and the kids to play. For more information, review the details below or contact Selissa Taylor at 828-736-0877.